Morning students, Namaskaram. Today we are going to do problem set 3 from algebra. I have written few questions here. They are homework. If you have practiced the practice set, definitely you will be able to solve these questions. And remaining questions of the problem set I'll solve. Thank you. So dear students, you can see on the board the question says, question number 2, it says that find the fourth term from the end of AP. Find the fourth term from the end of the AP. What does it mean? इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर एक AP में लास्ट टर्म 49 है, टोटल कितने टर्म्स हैं हमें नहीं पता, मतलब n हमें नहीं पता है, लेकिन यहाँ से उल्टा आएंगे तो चौथे नंबर पे जो टर्म है उसका हमें वैल्यू ढूंढना है. तो कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? तो सॉल्यूशन, here t1 we have -11, t2 we have -8, t3 -5. Okay, a is equal to -11. T of n, value of T of n is 49. Okay, so these things we have. Let's find D. D means T2 minus T1, that is -8 minus of -11, that is -8 plus 11, that is 3. Like that, T3 minus T2, that is -5 minus of -8, -5 plus 8, that is 3. So we get D is equal to 3. Okay. So we have got, but we don't know what is n, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ से पीछे की तरफ से चौथा नंबर पे आना है तो हमें चारों नंबर्स पता होने चाहिए. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले ना हम Tn की वैल्यू ढूंढ लेंगे, मतलब n ढूंढेंगे. ये Tn की वैल्यू पता है, n पता नहीं है. ये वैल्यू दिया है 49, a is -11, n we don't know, d is 3. So this -11 comes this side, so it becomes 16. So this 3 comes down, 1 the 2 the, so 20 equals to n minus 1. This -1 comes here plus 1, so 21 equals to n. Now we have n also. अब सेंटेंस कहता है कि एंड से, एंड मीन्स लास्ट 49 से पीछे की तरफ, फोर्थ टर्म फ्रॉम एंड means total how many terms are there? Total how many terms are there? 21s. n equals to 21, therefore total terms 21. Therefore fourth term means 21 minus 3 equals to fourth term from end. So that is 18. Okay. Therefore we have to find value of T18. T18 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T18 equals to a is how much? A is minus 11 plus 18, n is here now it is 18. So 18 minus 1, d is 3. Okay. So minus 11 plus 17 into 3. This means into minus 11 plus 51. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 1, 40. So we get 40. T18 equals to 40. Therefore, the fourth term from end is 40. Is it? Dear students, next question is question number 4 from the problem set 3. It says that find sum of first 10 terms. शुरुआत के 10 टर्म्स का सम फाइंड करो. सम का फॉर्मूला हमें पता है s of n equals to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Given information is t4 15, t19 minus 30. तो इसके बेस पे हमें आगे की इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढना है. So T4 given is 15, but T of n means a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula. So T of 4 equals to a plus 4 minus 1 into t. Now what is a and what is t? They have not told that a and b are the first term and common difference. So we have to suppose here. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference. Okay. So this is given, then we suppose, then we write the formula, then we put the value. So T of 4 they have given as 15. So I write here 15 equals to a plus 3d. So this becomes one equation. Let's take another value. T9 is, T9 they have given minus 30. For T9 also we can write a plus 9 minus 1 into t. So that will be minus 30 equals to a plus 8d. Now we can see here a is same, coefficient are same, sign is same. So we'll subtract any equation you can subtract from what you want. So subtract 1 from 2. So this will come up a plus 8d equals to minus 30. A plus 3d equals to 15. When we subtract, the sign changes. Minus 30 minus 15 minus 45. 8 minus 3, 5. This got cancelled. D equals to minus 45 upon 5. 1 the 9 the. So D equals to minus 9. We got the value of D. Put this value in an equation. Put D equals to minus 9 in 1. 1 is here. 15a plus 3 into minus 9. So 15a minus 27. So 15 plus 27 equals to a. That is a is equal to 42. Okay. Excuse me, they have given the value is D4 is minus 50. So sorry for the interruption, let's continue. It's minus 15, so here it comes minus 15. So here also it will come minus 15. So it will change to plus. Okay. So from here we'll have to reach it. So it will come minus 15. Minus 30 plus 15 becomes minus 15. 5d will get cancelled. D equals to 15 upon 5, 1 the 3 are. So d equals to minus 3. Put d equals to minus 3 in 1. So 1 is minus 15 equals to a plus 3 minus 3. Minus 15 equals to a plus into minus become minus 9. Okay. So minus 15, this comes this side, so plus 9 equals to a. Becomes minus 6. A equals to minus 6. Now we have a, we have d, and we have to find sum of 10 terms. Therefore, S of n equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula. We have to find S of 10. Find the first 10 terms. So S of 10 equals to 10 upon 2. 2 into a is how much? We got a is minus 6 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into d. D how much you got? Minus 3 equals to, this can be cancelled. So 5, 2, 6 are 12 minus 12. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 into minus 3. 5 minus 12, minus into plus minus, 9 3 is 27. 5 into minus 7 to 9, 2 and 1 3, minus 39. Okay. That gives minus 195. So this will be the first 10 terms sum. Therefore, you can write the statement. Therefore, the sum of first 10 terms in AP is minus 195. This is the answer. Dear students, now the next question is question number 7. It says that find n, means number of terms in the AP, and find the common difference D. When you have three things given, first T1, that is A, the first term minus 5. It is given. Next, the last term value, that is t of n, is 45. मतलब पहला टर्म और लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है. उसके साथ साथ और एक चीज़ दी हुई है, सम ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स, जितने भी टर्म्स होंगे, कितने हैं वो नहीं पता, जितने भी टर्म्स होंगे उसका जो सम है वो 120 है. ये तीन इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें दी गई है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ दिस इज गिवन, so what we'll do, we'll use this formula n upon 2. Sorry, there is one more formula when this and this is given. First term and the last term is given. Then what we can do? S of n is equal to t of 1 t1 plus tn. Okay. The formula is n upon 2 n upon 2 t1 plus tn. This is formula. There were two types of formulas in which this is the second time where the first and the last term is given. So we will use this. This is also given here. So we will put 120 equals to n upon 2. T1 is minus 5 plus 45 from here. So 120, this 2 comes here, into 2 equals to n. Minus 5, 45 equals 40. So this 40 comes down. 0 0 cut, 4 1 था, 4 3 था, 3 2 था, 6. So first thing we have found, find n, that we have done. There are 6 terms in AP. Okay. Now another thing they want to find us, find D. So now we know n, so we can find P of n. Formula says that a plus n minus 1 into D. This value we already have, that is 45. A is how much? Minus 5 plus n we found 6 minus 1 into D. So 45 equals to minus 5 plus 5D. 45 plus 5 equals to 5D. 50 upon 5 equals to D. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So D equals to 50. Five tens are 50, so D equals to 10. So we found, therefore the common difference is 10. That's it. Dear students, now the next question is question number 8 from the problem set 3, algebra. So it says that the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n is 36. Find n. इसका मतलब होता है कि उन्होंने जो नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं, तो नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? 1 से. तो हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म है, मतलब a है. तो जब फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट होता है तो चाहे वो कहीं तक भी जाए, सबके बीच में डिफरेंस जो होता है वो 1 का ही होता है. जैसे नेचुरल नंबर मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो जो डिफरेंस है वो 1 है. तो इसका मतलब हमारे पास a है, d है और हमें n ढूंढना है, और हमारे पास है सम ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. common difference, that is b equals to 1. A equals to 1. Okay. T1 equals to A equals to 1. It is given. Okay. So we have n is equals to how much, we don't know. That we have to find. So for finding this, we will use this formula, sum of natural numbers. So S of n formula says that n upon 2. S of n value they have given is 36, and we don't know how much. 2 into A is 1, n minus 1 we don't know, and D is 1. This gives us 36 into 2, this 2 goes here, equals to n, 2 1s are 2, plus n minus 1. Okay. So 36 into 2, that becomes 72, equals to n into 2, 2n, plus 2 into n, plus n minus 1. So 72 equals to 3n minus 1. That gives us 72 plus 1 equals to 3n. Therefore 73 Okay, from here we have done a mistake. 36 into 2 is 72. N into 2 becomes 2n plus n into n minus 1. This will go multiply with this, and then this will multiply with this. That's what I have written. 72. 2n plus n into n square minus n. 2n minus n gives 1n. 1n. We cannot write n. So only write n, it will be enough, plus n square. So this gives us equation like this, quadratic equation. N square plus n, this goes that side, minus 72 equals to 0. Okay. This becomes a quadratic equation. Now how to solve this? Take 1 from here and minus 72 from there. So 1 into minus 72. So it gives us minus 72. 9 8 is 72. 8 into minus 9 will be minus 72. And 8 minus 9 will be, minus 8 plus 9 will be 1n. Okay. So the multiplication gives us this and subtraction gives us this. So in place of n square, it will be same. In place of this, I'll write this part. Okay. So 9n minus 8, and that gives me 1n. Remember, then this comes same, equals to 0. Now from this 2, I take common. N is common. Inside n plus 9. So here also n plus 9 will come. So what multiplied by n will get minus 8 and minus 8. Okay. So from this to take common. What is common? N plus 9. So n plus 9 comes out. What remains? N minus 8. That is in another bracket. So equals to 0. That means these two factors are equal to 0. So either n plus 9 equals to 0 or n minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore n equals to minus 9 or n equals to 8. Natural number cannot be negative. The natural numbers cannot be negative. Therefore n equals to 8. Okay. Easy. In short, let me explain you once again. So these things are already given. So d is 1, t and d1 and a is 1, and we have to find. So we use this formula because sum is given, so some formula we are using it. So in that we don't put n ka value, baki value is given, so we put the value. We calculate them. By calculating step by step, here you come. So at this point, you just multiply with n. N into 2, that becomes 2n, take a plus sign down, and n into n minus 1 means n bracket n minus 1. Next step, write the same thing. Here multiply n square and minus n. So 2n and minus n becomes 1n. So I'll write here plus n square. So take this minus 72 that plus 72 that side becomes minus 72. So it comes into the form of quadratic equation. We'll solve it further. You should know how to solve quadratic equation. And after solving that, I've already explained you how to solve. And after solving that, we get two factors. So those two factors are equal to 0, which gives us one value as minus 9 and another as 8. Since negative number cannot be a natural number, so that's why we'll take the another value. So this is how we get n equals to 8. Dear students, now the next question is question number 9 from the problem set 3 of algebra. The question says that divide 207 in 3 parts that the numbers are in AP. 207 अगर एक पूरे सीक्वेंस का सम है, मतलब टोटल है, तो उसको 3 टुकड़े में डिवाइड करो. तो ये मान लीजिए कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर पूरी की पूरी 207 है और वो 3 टुकड़ों से जुड़ी है, तो जुड़ने का मतलब होता है सम. तो sum of 3 parts. Do we know the parts? No. That means we have to suppose. So sum of those parts is 207 and the product of two small parts given is 4623. Using them we have to find 3 parts. ये उसी तरह क्वेश्चन है जैसे कि 3 कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स. तो चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. Let the 3 parts of an AP be A minus D, A plus D. Okay. As per first condition, they are given 207 is sum of 3 parts. Sum of 3 parts means this: A minus D plus A plus A plus D equals to 207. That's given. So plus D minus D get cancelled. A gives us 3A equals to 207. A equals to 207 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 6s are becomes 3 6 are 18 becomes 2 27. 3 9s are 27. So we get A equals to 69. Okay. Now they have also given product of two smaller number. अभी two smaller number means these two numbers. Which number is smaller? This and this. पहला नंबर अगर 1 2 3 होता तो ये 1 होता, ये 2 और ये 3, तो स्टार्टिंग के दो जो होते हैं वो स्मॉल होते हैं. The product of two smaller numbers, smaller parts equals to 4623. It's given. तो दो स्मॉलर पार्ट्स हैं a इंटू a माइनस b. 4623. a कितना आ गया? 69. 69 इंटू 69 माइनस d. 4623. So 69 minus d equals to 4623 upon 69. Let's cancel. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. It gives 1541 upon 23. Okay, so 23 table we have to check in how many times you get cuts cancelled. So 23 tens are, it gives 230, but we need 1541. So 3 sevens are 17. 23 into 17, let's check. It gives 391, but we need, so it can be 117. So if I multiply 23 by 60, 0 0 6 is the 18, 1 carry 6 to the 12, 1 13. So it gives me 0813 1380. 60 टाइम में अगर मैं 23 को 60 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ तो मुझे 1380 मिलता है. यहाँ पे 151 है, तो 3 की टेबल में कितने टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो लास्ट में 1 आता है, तो आई थिंक 7 टाइम्स. तो 60 में अगर इतना आ रहा है तो 67 करके देखते हैं. 7 is 21, 2 carry 16, 6 is 18, 1, 6 is 12, 1 13, 1 1541. We get in 67 times. This is correct. Okay, so this is how you have to find. So let's write it. I'm rubbing it. D equals to 67. This get cancelled in 67 times. I did the rough work. So 69 minus 67, this comes this side, this goes that side, equals to D, and this gives us 2. Okay, now we have A, we have D equals to 2. Therefore the numbers are the 3 parts of of AP are A minus D, that is 69 minus 2, 67. Then A is 69. A plus D, that is 69 plus 2, that is 71. So 67, 69, 71 or 71, 69, 67. These are the numbers on the list.